Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation about Educast GCSE Music and some of the reasons why you should take it and what the course entails. So I've put some information there about what the course is about and some reasons to choose it. Essentially, it's about developing your confidence, your creativity, your understanding of music, and your ability to perform music to a high standard and to compose really good music. So that's to write and create your own original music. As you can see, there are 4 areas of study, which include 2 set works. These are pieces that we will study in depth that will come up on your exam. And then we will also learn how to apply some analysis to unfamiliar pieces so that when that comes up in your exam, and there are pieces that you've never heard before, you can analyze them and you can think about what musical features are involved in each piece. So in terms of how you'll be assessed, 30% of the course is performance. So you will need to perform pieces of music around a sort of grade 3, grade 4 standard. And you will perform 2 pieces lasting a total of 4 minutes. That will be done in school. So I will be the assessor for that. And then I will send some examples off to the exam board to be moderated. Component 2 is composition. And you will be able to create your own music from scratch. So original music that's never existed before. That again is worth 30%. So 60% of the course is practical music making, and that's coursework based. It's also worth noting with the performance, you can choose the instrument that you perform on, and you can choose which pieces you perform, as long as they're of a suitable enough difficulty so that you can get a good mark. What can the course lead to? So there's the obvious things like becoming a musician itself, becoming a performer, a composer, a musicologist. So that's someone who studies music for a living and maybe writes about it or does blogs or podcasts or magazine articles. There's teaching, obviously the route that I've gone down. And then there's lots of wider arts jobs, including the live performance industry. So music is a massive part of the UK economy. It's worth 5.2 billion. In fact, that was in 2019, so it's probably grown even since then. And lots of modern careers really value the skills that this course develops. So creativity, problem solving, teamwork, all of these things that I've got written on the slide there are really, really important to modern employers. Okay, they're also looked at really favorably by sixth form colleges and university. So music is a very highly valued subject because in order to do well at it, you have to be good at lots of different things. Okay, so if you're thinking, is this course going to be suitable for me? You need to ask yourself the 4 questions on the screen. Okay, we're going to learn about a really wide range of music. So do you actually enjoy finding out more about music? Do you want to improve your creativity, your self-confidence, and your practical musical skills? Question 3 is a really important one. Do you actually play an instrument or do you sing? So have you achieved excellence in some of your past music assessments? You don't necessarily have to have had lessons outside of our classroom. If you're often getting excellence in our music assessments, then that's probably something that you could pick up. But I think when we're actually on the course, it's really helpful and really valuable to be having private instrumental lessons or singing lessons to support with our performance work in class. And lastly, do you want to learn how to write and compose your own music? Okay, that's obviously 30% of the course as well. And that'll be on the computers mostly. That we'll be using Soundtrap and a piece of software called Cubase and another one called Flat or Sibelius. So there's lots of different pieces of software we can use to support us with our composition. But basically, do you enjoy creating music? Okay, lastly, if you have any questions about GCSE music, obviously you can come and find me. I'm usually around the music department somewhere. So come and find me and ask me about it. I'm also happy to talk to you about whether or not I think you would be suitable for the course, whether I think that you would enjoy it and flourish on it from what I know of you. So please feel free to come and talk to me about it. I'd be really happy to have that conversation with you. So I hope that that has been helpful and gives you a really clear idea of whether GCSE music is something that will be good for you to do. So hopefully I'll see lots of you on the course signed up in year 10. Thanks. Bye.